Welcome back to another dumb idea video.
This is a dumb idea.
Probably never going to get finished.
We got two perfectly working cars and we're just about to make them not work ever again.
Real good seat time cars, and yeah, we're going to ruin them.
That's what you want, positivity. Yeah.
Before we even start.
Yeah. Let's be positive.
We're feeling good. We're feeling good.
On a Wednesday, scribbling thoughts.
Prayer before we start.
Do you want to?
Please help me, Jeebus.
Your last drift event we did, we needed just a bit more power. And we're like, well, what's the best way? Probably put an LS in that and a Barra in this. But instead, we got turbos.
Maxpeeding rods.
Ooh. Yeah, Maxpeeding rods gave us some money off to use their stuff. So it all looks very quality.
Looks very quality.
Yeah.
Gave us a monster taco.
I'm more excited about that than anything.
I like the taco. That's never going to work, but I like the taco. Well, put it in my
So
car.
excited. Big old turbo.
Raceworks.
Oh yeah, Raceworks.
Thank you for Raceworks.
Raceworks are they helping us? Are they?
Yeah.
Are they?
I don't know, yeah. I'll ask them at some point.
Alright,
Thank
sweet.
you, Raceworks.
Raceworks are sponsoring us as well. That's sick.
Sleeka spares are basically the only ones that are sponsoring us.
Yeah, and Sleeka.
Give them a
And
little bit.
even though Dave doesn't know it, he is sponsoring us.
Give them a
Really
little.
helps to work.
He really
Shout
helps.
out.
He really helps us a lot, even though he's very unaware that this is happening.
We
Yeah.
stole it.
Yeah.
Thanks Raceworks and Sleeka
Raceworks,
Spares.
Raceworks.
Well, we're going to do this one first because Jerry hasn't turned up, so we're doing the Falcon first.
Yeah.
Well,
Dunno.
I don't know.
But Jerry's done turbos on about 5 different VT Commodores now, so
None of which have worked.
so he knows what he's doing. I guess you could call him the Ecotech wizard.
I mean, not a single one of them has ever worked.
So he's really good at it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to start with the Falcon anyway and go from
I
there.
think this is easier. So this will be done today,
I've called it a wanker, not a wizard.
James.
Super budget. Try to put the turbo, mount everything in
Probably
this
have to
video, and then
Put a battery in the back.
we're thinking about getting the J3 chip for the ECU and finding someone that'll tune it. Or tune both cars, and then we can compare the two, see which one does better.
the pair.
Same income.
Same super country as Zoltan. Yeah.
Yeah.
And hopefully they make about 200 kilowatts and that should be enough. And go forever.
This will go forever.
Yeah.
Oh, darling. Let down?
Yeah. Oh, see if we got a flexi in it.
That was big. Yeah.
Fucking stop! Get this bit out. There we go. Nice.
So as you can see, it's going swimmingly.
Oh, it's already been.
So what are we doing? We're cutting,
Through there
yeah.
and then go like this, up, straight to the turbo.
So in here, it'll be like,
That is such a
and then the turbo will sit there, in that area. You got it?
Yep. Nice.
Oh, that'll be alright. It's on an angle. That'll be alright. Yeah, already. We
Mate.
accidentally. I better weld that.
That's perfect.
That's pretty good.
Will it fit? Oh, I didn't know he was doing that. Alright, I can't message him.
If you go on Maxpeeding rods, enter makeshift, you could get this turbo kit for your mum's Falcon. Get 10% off with our code.
Why is everyone so against this?
Okay.
This was Jimmy's idea.
Why am I against it? Because you've got 2 decent cars.
Well,
These aren't that decent.
And
I
this
don't
is
think we're ruining
shit.
anything.
And these are pieces of shit.
Oh, you sound like Nigel.
Don't you say that, you son of a bitch.
You sound exactly like Nigel.
That's how it wants to sit.
So what do we got to do?
Maybe.
Cut it on a bit of an angle.
Yeah.
So it comes in a little bit.
Just like that.
Over,
Yeah.
over, under. I marked it so you can cut it. With what?
Yep.
Drop stitch.
So both sides equally impressed.
That's better.
Back and weld that. Back and weld that. Yeah, back and weld that.
I can weld that up.
Fuck me.
That was a bit much. I did get away from it. Engineering. So you're an engineer.
Technically, yes. I've got my cert 2 in carpentry.
Why?
So it's the same parts.
Oh, so none of this counts.
Oh,
Oh, that's alright. What are you on about?
is it flush up against the
Yeah.
other one? Alright. Give it a...
Like that? Yeah, mate.
Yeah, make sure it's straight. Do you want a ruler?
Is that still alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good to me. Alright.
Go on.
I like that.
What's that? What's that reference you mean?
On to that bit.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Did you mark that bit
I'm
too?
on that bit too. Get that off, Jim.
Alright. So we're now gonna weld that bit Pat's got onto here.
Wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message.
While Pat's laying down some dimes, we're gonna sort out the intercooler pipes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We're not going to fit anywhere else, is it?
Just there.
Yeah, we'll do that. Right there. Gentle.
I don't reckon this is for metal.
It's doing it.
Oh, it is doing it.
Yeah, go on. Oh, mate.
That's probably why I was having trouble.
Oh, yeah, okay. There you go. Stuck.
That was the car.
Yeah, no, it is. No.
Ow, you.
I was helping. You moved.
There you go, easy. So right now we're welding stainless to mild steel.
It's fine. It's fine. Listen, it's wicked. But
Does sound pretty good.
it's a good. He's put a hole in it. It's a good thing that Pat has certificate 2 in engineering. Everyone remember that.
Alright. Stainless to mild steel.
I don't think it's actually possible.
Yeah, well. Point proven. It's the best one you've done yet, Pat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Nigel's trying. Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Is that the angle?
Yeah.
He dropped that.
We'll do some P-roll.
Yeah,
Do some P-roll of it.
oh, hey. Do it properly. Stop it. Stop it.
We're pretty close to the...
Alright, see how it looks. Let's go.
Yeah, holding the whole fucking turn.
Not bad.
Not bad.
As long as you don't want the exhaust, you
Or power steering.
power steering, yeah. As long as you don't want power steering.
Alright, well that's a problem.
Yeah. is a problem.
That'll be fine.
That'll be alright. And then we just put the exhaust out. Put the exhaust out that way.
Because then you can push this up a bit higher.
Yeah.
We could
That's
even
alright.
jiggle the thing around a bit, maybe.
Jiggle
the mount.
But when you do a bracket, you can at least bracket it.
How much
Yeah,
space
the
do you
whole
have for the dumps, though?
Or do you want to mark?
Oh, heaps. Heaps. Are you centered, you reckon?
That's centered on it, yep.
You fucking don't know.
No.
Oh yeah, I dropped them.
Hey,
Is that where you want it?
Yeah, mate. Aren't you
You want the
marking?
fabricator?
How the fuck am I going to mark it?
Maybe a little bit.
Here, let me get this out.
No, you've moved it.
You reckon that's centered?
Is that where you want it?
Pretty good.
Alright.
I just want the angle of it, that's all.
the angle.
Alright, we'll try that one again. So what I'm thinking, line your line up, weld the edges, and then we'll chisel and we'll tap it so it's that shape, and then you can weld the rest.
Line that line up. You said something about a chisel?
These words do not go together.
Line your line up.
Oh, fuck.
Line your line.
I'm not doing it. I give up. I quit. I quit my job.
Just weld it.
Hey! You go weld that.
Oh, he's just so hard to do with.
It's a good one. Close enough, yeah. Maybe. You look good in that, Adam. I feel right.
And you're not.
That gauge is going sick there.
Hey, how good's that gauge?
Fuck. Is it going to go on there?
Yeah. Straight away.
Straight on. Straight on. Whenever you're ready, Pat. Look at that. Look at that.
Jiggle it on there. Hey!
Nearly.
That is on.
Is that all the way down? No, but it'll go.
Yeah, once the screws on.
Once the screws are
Yeah,
on.
so if we get a bracket to hold it, that's actually...
That's
not
pretty
bad.
good.
Yeah.
It's just the dump's going to have to be real tight.
That's not bad because they really can go like like that, and that's it.
Because we've basically finished it. we've only mounted it, but
One pipe.
it'd be a shame to not hear it.
All right, no, it's not in here.
Kick at the guts.
Not in here. So you want no oxygen sensor done?
Yeah, okay. That's fair enough. Alright. Yeah, okay.
Spinning, still spinning.
No,
Just slows down. No, it did. Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah. We're just going to go from here, straight down there, join it to the original exhaust, done. What do you mean?
Anyway, we're done for today, so we'll see you next weekend probably.
Yeah, we'll knock the finisher off next weekend.
Next weekend in four weeks.
Peace out.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the week after our last video. It's now winter. Temperature has rapidly changed.
Anyone lives in Australia, but the weather changes so much.
Jake's lost weight or gained weight. Can't remember.
I don't know where we're at.
Jerry's finally here. So previous video. This is still the same video, but we've got this on there. Put the oil feed line on.
Did it drain?
Don't look at this for the dump pipe. That's Pat's welding. He's we got to fix that. Intercooler.
You really can't see it.
Alright, well, intercooler's in there. You gotta take a word for it. What else have we done? Got this.
Catch can is mounted.
So for the next video, probably ECU, dump pipe, wiring, get it tuned, skids.
We can't forget about our monster taco. We have to mount our 7-in-1 monster
Do you
taco.
have to put that in?
Yeah, we have to put that in.
That way we know all of
And
our
the shift light.
things.
And the shift light.
Wherever that's gone.
Wherever the shift light's gone.
Adam threw it on the ground.
Should we do a shoo shoo shoo?
Yeah, it does not like it.
Instant misfire, but. Want to buy this turbo kit, if you go onto maxpeedingrods.com,
Oh yeah.
In the coupon section, go makeshift, you get 10% off.
Turbo, wastegate, intercooler,
Taco,
tachometer, blow-off valve, intercooler, all Maxpeeding.
shift light.
It's all Maxpeeding.
All Maxpeeding.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for subscribing.
And peace out, Rabbit.
Peace out.